Cockroaches are more than just unpleasant to see, they can pose serious health risks to you and your family. Nature offers powerful, safe, and affordable ways to eliminate roaches almost instantly. Baking soda is one of the most powerful and natural ways to get rid of cockroaches instantly. This simple kitchen ingredient works as a safe and effective pest killer without the need for harmful chemicals. Take a fresh cucumber and wash it thoroughly in clean water, then dry it with a cloth. Once dry, cut the cucumber into slices. Sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of baking soda over each slice, ensuring they are evenly coated. After preparing the slices, place each one in areas where cockroaches are most active. The natural scent of cucumber, combined with the reaction caused by baking soda, helps repel and kill cockroaches effectively. This simple, chemical-free method not only drives roaches away but also keeps your home fresh, clean, and free from harmful pest sprays. Diatomaceous earth is a natural and highly effective remedy for eliminating cockroaches without using any harmful chemicals. It works by physically attacking the pests rather than poisoning them. To use it, lightly dust a thin layer of food-grade diatomaceous earth around areas where cockroaches are commonly seen, such as behind appliances, along baseboards, in cracks, and in dark corners. Avoid using too much, as a light dusting is enough to work effectively. After a few days, vacuum the area to remove dead roaches and old powder, then reapply weekly until the infestation is completely gone. This method is safe for humans and pets when using food-grade quality, and is an eco-friendly way to maintain a cockroach-free home. Bay leaves are one of the most effective and natural ways to keep cockroaches away instantly. These aromatic leaves have a strong scent that cockroaches can't tolerate. Take a pot and add 1 glass of water along with a handful of bay leaves. Boil the mixture until the color of the water changes, allowing the natural oils and aroma from the leaves to infuse into the water. Once it's ready, let the solution cool completely. Using a funnel, pour the cooled liquid into a spray bottle. Spray this natural bay leaf solution in areas where cockroaches are commonly seen. The strong scent of the bay leaves acts as a natural repellent that drives cockroaches away instantly. This simple homemade spray is safe, chemical-free, and leaves your home smelling fresh while keeping it free from pests. Roach killer powder is one of the most effective and convenient ways to eliminate cockroaches and other crawling insects from your home. This product offers a long-lasting and effective solution for getting rid of roaches, bugs, water bugs, and silverfish. Once applied, it continues to kill insects for weeks, as long as the treated area stays dry. It works fast. Any insect that comes into contact with the powder will die within 72 hours. The roach killer bait is designed to eliminate both roaches and the eggs they carry, targeting them right where they breed. Its advanced liquid bait technology combines a food source and the water that roaches need, making it highly attractive to them. Once they consume the bait, it delivers a lethal dose within hours, effectively stopping the infestation fast. The pack includes 3 ready-to-use bait stations that can be placed on flat surfaces in areas where roaches are commonly seen, providing an easy and mess-free solution for keeping your home roach-free. With a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can drive them out, kill them fast, and keep your home fresh and pest-free.